Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening up a OKMEE solar fountain pump. So I've been doing a lot more of just like these set it and forget it type devices. So we have some solar lightings. This is going to be my first solar pump. So I'm curious to kind of drop it in the pool, let it just float around, just add a little bit like a water feature. We have a waterfall. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but this will just give a little water feature that'll sort of float around the pool. So I like that idea. This thing can also be used for a like a bird fountain, or also just a little small goldfish pond or pond that you may have. So a lot of uses. It's got LED lights. It's got a solar ring, so it'll charge during the day. And then at nighttime with its night sensor, it'll then turn on its LED lights. And then I think 4 or 5 hours later, it then shuts down for the next day, starts the whole process over again. So let's check out the box. This is the OKMEE solar fountain pump. So this is, what's great is I'm just gonna put this in the pool. Solar charging ring to charge the battery. I'm gonna pull this off. It comes with 2 extra filters, this fish wire, and a suction cup if you want to keep it in place. For me, and then an instruction manual. For me, I'm going to put this right into the pool. I want it to float around. So at night, it'll give LEDs and it'll do a spray. This is adjustable as well. You can turn this and you'll get different levels of spray. You can also take it completely off and then just the water will pump up. The first time you put it into the pool, you just submerge it, get all the air out, and then it'll just start working. Today's a super cloudy day, but I do have some prior footage that I had used. Full disclosure, this is the second one that I'm using. The first one that I purchased on Amazon, it just stopped working after 2 weeks. It was great, but after 2 weeks, it just stopped working. So I emailed the company and they sent me another one out. No questions asked, so very happy about that process. But buyer beware. I'm hoping I just got a bad one and this one's gonna last, but I will update the video, so check in the descriptions, especially if this video is a little bit older, and I'll let you know how it's been going, if it still works. And I leave it in the pool. The plan is to leave it in the pool just 24/7, let the thing float around and do its thing. So set it and forget it. So the first time you use it, you just submerge it right into the pool, right underneath the water. You can, well, I'm gonna use it in the pool, but you can definitely use this in a bird bath or any kind of little pond or small fountain. Let's toss it in the pool. Like I mentioned before, I actually have one sitting in here that stopped working. This thing worked great for about 2 weeks and now it's not. So there we go. Drop it right in and it's working. I really like this thing. I hope it lasts. So buyer beware. I mean, the company was really great about just sending me a new one. I told them, I said, hey, this thing stopped working on its own after 2 weeks, and they sent me out a new one, no problems, no questions, really no issues. So I like it. It adds a little something to the pool. Yeah, this is it. I hope you've enjoyed this product review. If you liked it, just drop a like and subscribe for more gadgets, mainly home assistant stuff, but every once in a while I do some solar things and other gadgets that I seem to like.